Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. Celebrity singer Gogo Maweni is making headlines after she dropped an episode of her podcast a few weeks ago. Now the sangoma dived into how slay queens make money and the kind of rituals that they do, you guys. After all, it seems it's not all about picture-perfect bodies and youthful looks as many thought. Now, the episode has gained thousands of comments and reactions since it dropped on the internet. You guys, now in the now viral episode, Gogo Maweni unpacked the rituals which slay queens do, all for the like of money. She revealed that the animal like snakes are involved in this kind of rituals. She said a snake is the one that will sleep with all the men that she will be sleeping with for money. So she is feeding the snake all those men, she added. Now, after that episode aired, Mzansi flooded social media with their opinions. Many were more than convinced that slay queens often do rituals to make a fortune, you guys. Gogo Maweni was quoted on the podcast saying many perform rituals, both men and women, and all those rituals involves sex. You need to understand that everything you achieve in the darkness will always have consequences. You guys, please take a look at this clip of that podcast and please do engage with me in the comment section. Of course, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll definitely see you on the next video.
Many rituals for a man and there's many rituals for a woman, but sex is involved. Many rituals for a female. Umuntu wesifazane othengisayo ngemvuzo.
So basically, it's about liquidity.
Remember, in life, I always say, when you want something, there are sacrifices and there's consequences as well. There's no way you can live an amazing life and you are not accounted for that. When you know that you got that life under darkness. And there's another woman who says, Gogo, I've been doing this for 10 years. I'm tired of doing this. Then what do? We get Isluan. Isluan azostwan. Isluan that's going to be sleeping with all these men. There's a snake that is inserted in the vagina of the woman. We need to then feed the snake while it's inside your vagina, inside your body.